Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are doing an Ipsy Glam bag unbagging. As always, it comes in this magenta bubble wrap mailer that is their signature. This month's bag, it is this red faux leather and it has a masquerade mask kind of embroidered into this. Don't mind my nail, this literally just broke and I'm so annoyed because I just got my nails done 2 days ago. Like, what is going on? So this is the October 2018 bag and it says, who said nights were for sleep? I did. I actually said that they're for sleep. They're for sleep and they're for studying. So just want to put that out there. I said it was for sleep. And this is the Ipsy After Dark. That is the hashtag for this month's glam bag. So the first thing that I have is this Morphe blush, and this is in the shade Blend the Rules. Now that I'm looking at the packaging, I don't know if this is Blend the Rules or if this is in the shade Spirit. I feel like this is in the shade Spirit. We'll find out once I open this up. This is in the shade Spirit. It is not in the shade Blend the Rules. It's in the shade Spirit. And this is a beautiful, like, pale, dusty mauve. It is so pretty, and it has some shimmer in there. I'm excited because traditionally I've only known Morphe, like when I first really started getting into YouTube stuff, Morphe only had brushes. And recently they started doing the lipstick, and now I'm seeing that they're expanding their cosmetics. So this is really nice that they are expanding this, and I like, this is the color of blush that I typically gravitate towards. So I am excited to see how this works out. I think I want to do like a first impression, get ready with me with like all Ipsy Glam bag products. I think I'm gonna do that. I like that idea. Next up from Aurora, we have this eyeliner. And this is their Intensely Precise eyeliner in the shade Espresso. So this is a felt tip eyeliner. I don't like felt tip eyeliners. I would prefer gel to apply with an angled brush because it can be more crisp and more precise. With the felt tip eyeliners, I feel like they just bleed everywhere and then they dry out. There have been plenty of times that I've gotten stuff from Ipsy and it's already dried out. But this has some juice in it, and that is what it looks like. So it's a nice chocolatey brown. And this could work. I mean, felt tip in theory, it is ideal for winged liners, but I feel like I've just grown out of the phase of like liking winged liners. Like, I don't know. I think maybe when I was younger, I loved them. I swore by them, but I don't know. So we'll see. Maybe I'll do a smoky eye or something like that with this. But that's a pretty color. It's nice. And it's drying darker. And it's not bleeding too much, so that's good. Next, we have a product from Wander Beauty. And this is their Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So if you guys are new to my channel, I have very, very sensitive skin. So with that being said, I have to be very careful with skincare products that I use because I've gotten some good skincare products like high quality brands from Ipsy in the glam bags. However, I've used some of them and I didn't look at the ingredients and I ended up having really bad allergic reactions. So I've had to pass them off to siblings or best friends. So just from looking at these ingredients, it doesn't say too much. It just says this bright berry peel, this bright pearl, oh my goodness, I can't read. This bright berry pearl peel off mask contains a skin loving blend of acai or acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea extracts to heal, purify, and replenish dull skin. Niacinamide helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and hyperpigmentation for more vibrant looking skin. So I have a really bad issue of popping my pimples and then I end up with hyperpigmentation. So we'll see how this works out. I'm gonna go on their website to research more of their ingredients before I do end up trying this peel off mask and having an allergic reaction. Next from Larissy Cosmetics, we have this lip gloss, and this is in the shade Aura. So I was about to say, you guys have to forgive me because the semester just ended. So I'm thinking of like auras, and like migraine headaches have auras before, like seizures have an aura before nursing school problems. I'm getting all types of alien vibes. It has like all these iridescent reflex, like it is this green slime color. Of course it's showing up just regular, like it looks glow in the dark in person. But let me see, can you guys see that? It's not showing up as, it doesn't look the way that it looks in person. Like it's almost the same color as my shirt. But then when I swatch it on my hand, it's purple. Look at that. I'm not a lip gloss person, so I feel like I'm gonna have to pass this off. I'm not daring enough to wear this. That is too much attention to my lips. So on the lips, it doesn't feel like traditional tacky lip gloss. And it actually isn't that bad. So maybe I could use this as a lip topper. I don't know. These are the types of lip glosses that I just like stash in my glove compartment, and then they end up coming in handy because my lips are like so chapped and ashy, and I'm like, I guess I'll use it. And then finally, this is in bubble wrap. I'm kind of scared about this. Oh, this is broken to pieces. Well, this is a CITYCOLOR Glow Pro Stellar Iridescent Highlight. It's in the shade Nebula. However, this is already shattered to pieces, and I can see it on the back. It's like this blue iridescent highlight, but like all of that is the highlight. Like it's already broken, it's shattered to pieces. So we'll open it up, but this is gonna be messy. Sacrifice I'm willing to take for you guys, so. Oh, this could have been better packaged. This is all damaged. Okay, well, I won't open this. I'll just scrape some dust off the back. Kind of ashy. I don't think that would work well with my skin anyway. It's showing up ashy on camera, but in person, it's a really pretty blue. It's like a blue-gray. Oh well. So I have to toss this because this is all powder. Like, yeah, that's gonna be a mess. All right, so that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoy these unboxing videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you got your Ipsy Glam bag this month, let me know what you got in it, what was different, what are you excited to try. If you guys want to see any first impression videos with these products, definitely let me know. And yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.